As some of you may know, I bought a film camera and dedicated to only taking film pictures just because I wanted to like go through that process of not knowing what the photos may look like. Because of that, because you don't know what they're gonna look like, you have to take like your time to take the picture, and you really gotta like only take pictures that are like really meaningful. So with that in mind, I bought this camera for $50. It's a Pentax. It's got a zoom. It's got a zoom. It's very old though, it's film, but it was back in the day like a pretty nice camera. The lens is decent. And it's got this cool Mickey Mouse strap. Amazing. But I just finished the first film roll and it took 10 days to get in. So for 10 days, like I had to wait just to see the pictures. That whole process like built a little like good anxiety of like are they gonna be good? Are they gonna be trash? I don't know. And I find that process kind of cool. I thought some people may enjoy the actual seeing the pictures. So here we go. Let's see what we got. I'm not gonna show you all of them. Some of them are like private, not in a bad way. Don't be weird about that. Ooh, that's pretty cool. I'm excited to have this because I'm gonna get this drawn from a friend of mine at the motel, or the motel. The apartment that I used to live at, so that's very cool. So anyways, moral of the story, do cool things, you know what I mean? Like this is me taking different steps and different actions to do things that are more mindful. You know, you got a little bit of discipline, you have to like wait to get the good, it's like that delayed gratification type of thing. But also too, with me not being on Instagram, it's like, okay, well if I want to take a picture, like I want it to be a good memory, like not just some picture of like, look at this cool thing I did, look at me, I'm so cool, and put it on Instagram and get all these likes, all your like I'm not vibing with that anymore. It's really not my style. If you dig my changing philosophies, smash the subscribe button. I'll see you on the next video. Peace. It's wholesome. It's refreshing. I waited like 3 weeks to get this picture. 3 weeks. You know?